Welcome back to Vision Auto Garage. In this episode we're going to restore the headlights on the TT. I mentioned in the last episode about having a go at cleaning these up using a mop and some compound. It's done an okay job, but it's really not clear enough for me to be happy with it. So I've gone out and I've bought an Autoglym Headlight Restoration Kit. I've used one of these before and I found that they just do a really good job. It's very simple. It's just some fine grade sandpaper, some polish and a drill attachment. So I'll give that a go and see how it comes up. So I paid just under £20 for this Autoglym Headlight Restoration Kit, and it says it contains everything you need to restore clarity to your headlight lenses. It contains some compound, a buffing pad, a microfiber cloth, various grades abrasive discs and a drill adapter. First thing to do is mask up, so let's get on with it. So with the bodywork masked up and the lens cleaned down, I'm ready to start with the abrasive discs. I'm going to start with an 800 and cover the whole thing, multiple passes, and it will go cloudy. It's quite an alarming thing to do first up, but it will go completely cloudy and you won't be able to see through it. After ensuring the entire lens surface has been well sanded with the P800 disc, I repeat the process with P1500. Once I'd achieved a consistent scratch-free finish with the 1500 grit, I moved on to the 2000 grit, which I've applied wet using a soapy water mix. After a quick wipe down, the process is repeated again with 3000 grit. Once I'd finished with the 3000 grit, I wiped the lens down, but I could see there was still some scratches. In this scenario, it's best to go back to 1500 grit and start the process again. Having jumped back down to 1500 grit and worked my way back up through 2000 and 3000 wet, I'm now ready for using the restoration compound. It's taken about an hour per side to restore the headlight lenses, and it really refreshes the front of the car. The Autoglym Headlight Restoration Kit seems like good value at £20, although I did buy it on sale. It normally retails at £24.99. The kit itself is not much more than various abrasives and some polishing compound, but its true value is in its convenience. It's a real do-it-yourself at-home headlight restoration kit, and the results work. If you'd like more info on any of our projects or regular updates, please check out our Facebook and Instagram accounts on the links below. Thanks for watching.